How to install apps directly on SD card on Android. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, you will have to enable your developer mode in order to do so. Go to settings, scroll all the way down, go to about phone, go to software information, and then keep on tapping the build number. Enter your current PIN and your developer mode will be enabled. Go back and go to developer options. Scroll down until you see this option of force apps to external device or something like that. Scroll down and then you should see an option of force allow apps on external. Enable this and you will be done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.